welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing my makeup and yes, I'm gonna do a full face, quite simple, not too much going on, and I'm gonna do it like I did my last one. Oh my god, don't look at my nails, seriously. I'm just about to do some new nails after this video, so I've taken the other ones off and I've got paint all over them and yeah, been decorating. So yeah, I'm going to do a makeup look and I am just going to get straight on with it, full face, and let's just do it. the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really simple one. It took about half an hour to do. This is the first time that I've used this palette. I might have to put this in a Makeup Monday. Jasmine! Jasmine's playing with a little monkey. It is so cute. Might have to put this in a Makeup Monday so I can do like a proper review on it. This video is just like a makeup tutorial. But that shade called Claude, which is right there, that's the one that's like in the centre, like on my lid. Oh, I love that shade. It is so freaking nice. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. But yeah, this is a really cute little palette and I wanted to try it out and do a makeup tutorial with it because I haven't done one yet. I haven't used it yet and I should really have probably done a first impressions. But I will do like a first impressions type Monday video if you guys want to see like a more in-depth me chatting about the product. But really liking it. So yeah. So that's it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, pretty simple. Didn't take too long to do. You guys should definitely try it out at home. Not like this is this even a tutorial? Like all I'm doing is just do my makeup with you guys, that's all. But I like watching people do it, so hopefully you guys do too. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please ignore all the animals rustling about in the background. That's how we roll in this house. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video.